I said, chokey, chokey, chokey. And then oh, hello. Who are you? Oh, that's right. I totally forgot the new chef was coming today. Well, it's so nice to meet you. I am Miss Trunchbull. Wait, no. No. Not that Miss Trunchbull. That is my great aunt. But I am the new Miss Trunchbull, the new principal of this school. I've actually been here for about a year-ish. It's family tradition to take over and be principal, so I guess here I am. You are here because you are replacing our oldest employee and one of the oldest chefs we've ever had at this school, Miss Cookie. She was really putting in her blood, sweat, and tears into the cakes and probably all the meals. So we can't have that anymore. So I'm happy that you're here because I will be teaching you her secret recipe. Only Cookie and my great aunt know the recipe, and now me. And now I'm teaching you. So after you sign that NDA, I will be teaching you the most delicious, moist chocolate cake. It's basically in the school's history. So let's get started. A chocolatey goodness. Yes, that is a good layer. So this cake is going to be super fudgy, super soft, very chocolatey, very delicious, and it's actually very easy. Lots of sugar. My great aunt, Miss Trunchbull, she had a really bad sweet tooth, and actually, so do I. I think it's hereditary. Then we're adding baking powder, baking sugar, and salt, and also unsweetened cocoa powder that we are going to sift to make this cake nice and moist and fluffy. And we're just gonna give this a gentle mix. This is all of our dry ingredients. Next in here, we're gonna wanna buttermilk our milk. You can buy buttermilk, but I prefer this method. So you're just taking some whole milk, adding vinegar in it, and just let it sit for like a minute or two. Now in here, we're adding our eggs, our special vanilla, our oil, and our little curdled milk. And let's give this a whisk. Now I had to replace Cookie's blood, sweat, and tears, so I'm replacing it with instant coffee. Now you guys are going to think this is crazy. It's not going to make this taste like coffee at all. It's just going to enhance the chocolate flavor, which we love. So put that right in there. And this batter is going to be very liquidy, so don't freak out. That's how you know it's right. That's how they did it in the 90s. Now you should have this super chocolatey, super liquidy batter. All right, now we're pouring this chocolatey goodness into our cake pans. And what I was taught was the more uneven the batter in the pans, the better, because it gives it that rustic, kind of messy-ish look, but still gonna be delicious. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, now you want to do a Trunchbull smack. 2 for my great aunt, and we are ready to put these in the oven. Now we're gonna make the most delicious chocolatey, fudgy frosting you have ever had, and it's obviously going to be delicious. So to our pan, we're adding some sugar. Again, looks like a lot of sugar, just trust me. Cookie and Aunt Trunchbull, they knew what they were doing. Then we're adding in some cornstarch. And we're putting cocoa powder again, and also one more time, make sure that you are sifting the cocoa powder first. Next, we're adding instant espresso and also salt. Again, we're trying to pull out that chocolate flavor, so espresso is really good at doing that. And let's just give it a little whisk. Once it starts coming together, it's going to come together really, really quickly, so make sure you are always keeping your eye on this. And then we are adding our cold water in slowly and gently, and also vanilla. And we're just gonna whisk this until all the clumps are gone. And it's kind of going to start thickening up like a pudding. Okay, now we're getting a super thick frosting. So we're gonna add, it was blocks of dark chocolate, but since it's so sunny out here, it melted. But if yours melts like mine did, don't worry, it's gonna come together. So we're adding that in. If you've ever seen a frosting and you're like, oh my gosh, it's so shiny, 6 tablespoons of butter. You're welcome. And we're adding that in. And at this point, you don't want to play too much with the whisk. You can use a rubber spatula. I'm actually using rubber tongs. What? Don't judge me. We're broke at this school. So now we have this super fudgy, super chocolatey sauce. And at this point, our cake should be cooled. So let me bring them out and we will start frosting our cakes. Okay, yes. Come in, welcome in. So this is where we do all the cake decorating, specifically for this chocolate cake. These adults are just like children. The second they even see this cake, they go crazy for it. Oh wait, you thought we teach children here? Absolutely not. This is an all adult school. There are no children here. My great aunt, Miss Trunchbull, she always said that she wanted a school without any children.
My idea of a perfect school is one in which there are no children at all.
She said that would be the best school, so that's what we ended up doing. We teach everyday things that they really should know by now, and they just don't. So let me show you how to put this cake together. We're gonna frost it, and then we're gonna eat it. Just me and you. All right, no blood, sweat, and tears here. Just surf safe. All right, so we're gonna work one cake at a time. I'm gonna use a cake leveler. I know that Miss Trunchbull and Cookie would just use a knife, but we are updated in these days, so. And it's actually a lot easier. We're just gonna go ahead, slice through, and we have our yummy, moist chocolate cake. I mean, look at our frosting, super fudgy, creamy, and actually, it's tradition to take a taste, so we need to do that. That's good. All right, so to make it even and consistent, we're gonna use an ice cream scoop. And I like to do 1, 2, and maybe 3. Now we don't want to do too much and have it overflowing because it is kind of a thick frosting. I suggest do 2, see how it looks. For example, I definitely can use a little more in my layer. Gonna frost that. I'm also using a smaller ice cream scoop. These students, they steal. So I'm just using what I have right now. Yes, that is a good layer. Now we're adding the next one on top. Set that right on top. You know, Cookie was very amazing at this recipe because it never looked the same, but it still looked incredible and it was always delicious. All right, again. And we're not trying to get any crumbs, so when you need some more, that's why we're using the scoop. You're gonna have to teach the students like this, you know? They also don't like to pay attention, so.
That's another problem.
And my great aunt Trunchbull, she thinks I still have the chokey here. But you can't do that. You can't do that in 2025. But I just say, yes, Aunt Trunchbull. Little sample. Right, adding another layer. And again, let's scoop. Oh, you like my sweatshirt? Thank you. You know, my great aunt Trunchbull, she was in the Olympics and she was actually incredible. I mean, I couldn't do what she did. She did a lot of sports. And this is actually hers. I stole it from her closet a long time ago. She had no idea. And look how fudgy that is. OMG. Last layer. Right on top. Right. Now up top, we're gonna be super gentle. I just like to let it fall, and then I'm going in before it drops. Oh, this looks good. I hear something. Who is Bruce? Did you watch that? That's the cookie signature swirl. So here we have the famous super fudgy chocolate cake that nobody can resist. And it's tradition when it's your first time trying the cake, you have to try it the Trunchbull way. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So good. Incredible. Thank you guys so much for watching today's YouTube episode. This was so fun for me. Matilda is one of my favorite movies, so I had to do a little spin, a little Miss Trunchbull spin. So I hope you guys got the reference with this outfit, because if you know Trunchbull's iconic outfit, you know. Somebody last week commented Matilda, and I didn't really want to exactly do Matilda because, you know, and with cancel culture, I had to make it appropriate. So I hope you guys love this as much as I did. Please comment below. I am taking all your ideas this year, so if you guys want to see me in any other costumes, I'm only doing about maybe 4 to 5 cosplay outfits, so please put in your requests in the comments below. Please like it because it means so much to me. Also, seriously, make this cake. It is so good. It is so moist. You can see the fudginess, okay? And please subscribe if you haven't yet. I'm so excited. This is my season, guys. Last year I did Halloween costumes as well, if you want to see those, but this year I am leveling up. I will see you in my next Halloween video. Bye, guys. Oh yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck? No! Yay. Hum away. Hum away. Cut. Yeah. Miss Trunchbull. Miss Trunchbull. Miss Trunchbull. Oh my god. How the frick should I do this? What is that? What is that? Oh, nothing. No. Where can I put it? Picture perfect memories.